Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name's Caitlin from Florals.com and I know it's been a while since you've seen my face. If you watched my Vlogmas videos, I hope you guys enjoyed them, but I'm back this January, so in 2018, to share with you guys my 2018 goals and plans so you guys will know what's coming this year and know what to expect. And if you want more of one thing, you can tell me that in the comments, whatever you guys think is best. So let's jump right into it. I have a couple of crafty goals that I want to share with you guys. I know a lot of people have already done these videos, but I'm a little late to the game. It's been over a week in 2018 and I finally got my goals figured out, but I'm ready to share them with you. My first goal is to complete 100 layouts. Whether all of those will be filmed or on the blog, I'm not sure yet, but definitely something I'm aiming for. I think I'm up to 2 right now, so I'm definitely going to step that up. But I find pocket pages a lot easier to do and more quickly to do, so those will be easy since I have a new series coming for a new project that I'm working on. And if you've been on my Instagram page, you might have seen a couple sneak peeks at that. So that's one thing I'm working on this year, is more layouts. Number 2 is to finish a Disney album. I have one started, but I've had several Disney trips that I need to document still, but I find them very redundant, and I also find Disney photos very hard to scrap, especially since I picked 12 by 12 as my format for my current album that I'm working on. I've shared a couple of the videos with you guys and blog posts, but if you guys would like a whole series with Disney pages, please let me know. I could definitely film more of them. Like I said before, not my favorite pages to work with. I don't know if it's just because I limit myself on supplies because I want to use my Disney related supplies, but we'll see how it goes. I have the album I'm working on right now was our Disney cruise and Disney trip, so it was a big one. So hopefully it all fits in one album, but that's what I'm working on currently and hoping to finish this year. If you followed along with my goals from last year, I had blog posts with updates every month, and one of my goals was to finish 2 travel albums. I only finished 1. But still, one's better than none, so making progress. So I decided to continue this goal into 2018 to finish up another album. Number 3 is a generic goal, which is create more and spend less. And I'm actually already working on this. I'm in a spending freeze all of January with the lovely gals, Sarah Scraps and Christina from Redefined Creative. They are starting and hosting a fun Facebook event called Rediscover Your Stash, which they've done before. And I failed epically the first couple of times, so this time we're going to stick to it. No spending crafty stuff, using a lot of crafty stuff. I've created a lot already, so I'm really excited to continue. Not so much layouts, but a lot of cards, so still using my stash up. Number 4, if you're keeping count, is to participate in 10 collab videos. So I like doing collabs. I have a couple already lined up, one with Marlos, which is the Dust Scrapper here on YouTube. But if you guys are interested in doing collabs, I'll be happy to do one with you guys. So just let me know in the comments if you want to collab. I'd love to have people join me on my series, which I'll go into later about which ones I'm continuing in 2018 for my YouTube channel and my blog, but would definitely like some more collabs. So if you're looking for a collab, hit me up. Number 5, make 50 cards. I believe I'm already up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, at least 6 cards. I'm thinking it's closer to 8. I don't see them all out right now, but at least 50 cards. Shouldn't be too hard, especially since I'm getting started early. Valentine's Day cards are already done. I've probably made way too many for the amount of people I want to send cards to, but that's okay. I'll still send them out eventually. So be on the lookout for some new Valentine's Day projects. I have some filmed, and I plan on filming a couple more. I definitely want to bring more card making to my channel this year. It's one of the things I really enjoy doing, but I can't really find time to do sometimes because videos are very hard. Sometimes because cards take multiple steps and I need a lot of surface to work with, especially when I pull out the die cutting, the stamping, and all of that. So make 50 cards. So that's 100 layouts and 50 cards. And I count layouts as anything from a pocket page insert all the way up to 12 by 12. So very lenient on that goal. Number 6 is to finish 1 12 by 12 pad and 3 6 by 6 paper pads. Should be fairly easy. The 12 by 12 pad I'm a little bit nervous about because I find it hard to use the same collection over and over, which I know a lot of people like to do, but I do not like working with the same paper pad in the same projects a lot. But hopefully with my travel album, I'll be able to get these ones done. If you guys don't know, I do have a series called 6x6 Fix already on my channel, and if you're interested to check that out, I have a playlist that I can link down below so you guys can check out all the ones I have up so far. But I'll talk about that more because I'm going to continue it in 2018 as well. My last goal that I have written down and that I'm sharing is to reach 2,000 subscribers here on YouTube. I'm almost to my goal of 1,500. I think I'm at 1450-ish right now, so tell your friends, tell your family, subscribe to me. So now we're going to move into the plans for 2018, which I'm really, really excited about, and I hope you guys are too. I've already started talking about them during Vlogmas. If you didn't catch Vlogmas, I vlogged every day from December 1st through December 25th and posted it on this channel. Most of them were crafty vlogs, but you guys also got to look into my life a little bit, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. So my plans, I want to do monthly live streams for you guys, so live scrapbooking, which makes me nervous, but I think it'll be fun to look back on to see how I improve design-wise. I might do prep off-screen before I start, but I think it'll be fun to chat and scrap with you guys, so look for a date coming soon on that. Probably a Saturday this January, so be on the lookout for that. Number 2 on my plans list are my series. I'm doing a couple series this year. I'm bringing back 6x6 Fix, like I mentioned before, where I use 6x6 papers to create a design for a 12x12 layout. And I'm also bringing back Stretch Your Stash, which is one of my favorite ones. I have tons of ideas, I just don't have the time to film all of them as of right now. But essentially I take something like eyelets, like I had before, and then I simply use them on a layout in a unique way. So for my eyelet layout, I decided to make a whole background designed with eyelets, so check that series out as well. I'll have both playlists linked down below. New this year, I'm thinking of the Disney series. I think of calling it Designing Disney. I think that'd be a cute name. I don't know. If you have any ideas for a Disney themed series, let me know what I should call it. And another new one, which was suggested by a couple of viewers, is Stamping 101. So again, like I've said, bringing stamping into my projects once again. I also mentioned before more card videos. I definitely want to make more of those this year because I find them very fun, and I think cards are a more creative way for me to use my different abilities. And lastly, for my plans this year, as of right now at least, are more crafty vlogs. So there's a couple of stores I want to take you guys to, but since I'm on a spending freeze, that'll be a little while first. But I want to go to a local scrapbook store that's a couple of hours north of me and see what that looks like and show you guys. And then there's also probably maybe like scrapbooking conventions. I know there's some of those still around, so that'd be fun to take you guys with me. I'd also like to point out that my Christmas decorations are indeed still up. I really like it up there, so I might leave it up year round. But that is it for my 2018 goals. I have these all listed out on my blog as well with more details on how you guys can set your own goals for crafty related items and how to keep track of them and stay on course. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up so I know. And I'll catch you guys next time for another process video or some sort of crafty video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!